Okay, so we have a bird's eye view of a completed stage right. Obviously it's face down, and the method we use to install these sets is similar to a barn raising. We make the panels individually, we lay them down edge to edge, we fasten them with brackets, install supports, and we raise it like a wall and then sandbag it. So what you're looking at is a 2-foot extension, a 4-foot single door, a 4-foot full, and a 4-foot full. And we say full because there are no windows or openings within the panel. And you can notice you will see 9 metal brackets, bottom, center, and top. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 metal brackets, and you can see there's a 1x3x10 that spans the panels to the sides of the doorway. We talked about that as being necessary for support. And you see in the corner, I know it's pretty dark, but you can see down there the bucket brace, and that's so that we can still put a sandbag there even though it's so close to the wall because of the angle. And then you see here 1, 2 what we call support braces or jacks. It's an A-frame brace, so you'll hear it referred to one of those 3 terms sometimes. And then finally, I'm going to zoom in here. You can just see one of them on the corner. You can see that we've already installed the little tiny brackets that will be for the end cap. And the end cap panel is sitting right there on the wall, and in order to install that, the panels will have to be raised into their upright position. And you can see we already have pre-staged in the back there. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3 big orange sandbags, and we're going to use those to get this puppy up. This is a stage right set.